Hello everyone, myself Preeti. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, bearing USN 1 VE 20 CS 118, currently in 7th semester, and the subject which I'm going to talk about is Energy and Environment, and the subject code is 18ME 751. And the topic which I'm going to talk about is key energy trend in India. The first one is demand, the second one is electricity, and the third one is energy production and trade. Demand for energy in India. Surging power demand in India poses a challenge for a country where solar power is growing rapidly but generation capacity is stretched when the sun goes down. In 2022, India's power demand grew about 8% or at nearly double the pace of the Asia Pacific region, something to more than 149.7 watt hours from the previous year, and in the first 2 months of 2023 demand jumped from 10% from a year ago. In absolute terms, the states with the strongest growth in demand in 2022 were the north western state, desert state Rajasthan, and the western states of Gujarat and Maharashtra, where many of the country's industries are concerned. Growth rates were also high in Punjab in the north, where agriculture demands makes up the lion's share of total powerhouse, and Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, and Bihar, where residential demand has historically accounted for most of the load. A heat wave and easing of COVID 19 curbs drove power demand higher in the first half of 2022. Erratic weather and a jump in agricultural activity were among the most prominent reasons behind the high growth in the second year of last. In northern Haryana and Telangana in the south, unexpected dry spells contributed to higher demand from agriculture consumers of electricity during November and December, according to the presentation, which was based on assessment by grid operators in different states. This is the energy demand projection in India. Electricity generation in India. India's power generation grew at the fastest pace in over 3 decades in the just ended fiscal year. A Reuters analysis of government data showed fueling a sharp surge in emissions has output from both coal fired and renewable plants hit records. Intense summer heat waves and colder than usual winter in northern India and an economic recovery led to a jump in electricity demand, forcing India to crank up output from coal plants and solar farms as it scrambled to avoid power cuts. Power generation rose 11.5 percentage to 1591.11 billion kilowatt hours or units in the fiscal year ended March 2023. An analysis of daily load data from regulator Grid India showed the sharpest increase since year ended March 1990. The rapid acceleration in India's coal fired output to address a peak in power demanded underscores challenges faced by the world's third largest greenhouse gas emitter in weighing its company of carbon has it attempts to ensure energy security to around 1.4 billion Indians. Total power supplied during the last fiscal year was 1509.15 billion kilowatt hour, 8.4 billion higher than a year earlier, and still 6.69 billion units short of demand, the widest deficit in 6 years. Electricity generated from coal rose to 1662.91 billion kilowatt hour, the Toyota showed, with its share in overall output rising to 73.1 percentage, the highest level since the year ending in March 2019. India's central electricity authority estimated that 1 million kilowatt hour of power produced from coal generates snuff 975 of carbon dioxide, while the same amount of power generated from gas produces 475 tons. A plant fired by Ignite, known as brown coal, emits 1280 tons to produce equivalent power. This is the electricity generation in India year wise. Energy production in India. Coal production in the country during the year 2018 to 19 was 728.72 million tons as compared to 675.40 during 2017 to 18, registering a growth of 7.89 percentage. Considering the trend of production from 2009 to 10 to 2018 to 19, it is observed that coal production in India was about 532.04 during 2009 to 10, which increased to 728.72 during 2018 to 19 with a CAGR of 3.2 percentage. The ignite production during 2018 to 19 was 44.28 million tons, which is 5.06 percentage lower than the production during 2017 to 18, 46.64 million. During the same period, the CAGR of Ignite was about 6.22 6.66 percentage, with production increasing from 34.07 in 2009 to 10 to 44.28 in 2018 to 19. Production of crude oil for 2018 to 19 was 34.2 as compared to 35.7 in 2017 to 18, which is a fall of 4.2 percentage. The CAGRs for natural gas and electricity were minus 3.61 percentage and 6.49 percentage respectively for the period 2009 to 2010 to 2018 to 2019. Electricity has experienced the largest CAGR among all the commercial sources of energy from 2009 to 10 to 2018 to 19. Energy trading in India. India's leading energy market, Indian Energy Exchange, offers a national automated trading platform for the actual delivery of power and renewable energy. Modern user friendly technology powers IEX, making power acquisition simple and accelerating the change in the energy industry. Indian Energy Exchange total trade volume declined by 4% to 9,212 million units in March compared to the same month a year ago. On a month on month basis, cumulatively for the fiscal year 2023, the IEX traded 96.8 billion units, a degrowth of 5% of YoY basis, despite a highly constrained sell side liquidity, which led to the price increasing by 35% on YoY basis. It's explained. Thank you.